back everybody, and Kevin, this is Careless Vlogs. And I'm on the road, I'm going to get some breakfast. So, just give me a minute here across the road. Yeah, so I'm on the road going to get some breakfast. Going to Island Grill. I don't know if everyone knows what's an Island Grill. It's like a restaurant, a Jamaican restaurant. And I get something to eat, you have soup, some chicken. Just give me a moment. Can I get down my large red peas soup?
In the festival?
Yeah, 4 festival and quarter chicken.
Just the chicken only?
Yeah.
Leg and fire with salad, refuse. So why don't buy the just the for the 2 festival?
Which festival is chicken? Repeat that?
I say why you don't buy the just for the 2 festival? Because they say you want the medium red piece soup too. Medium red, the larger piece will come with 2 festival and you want 2 more festival. So I say, so why you don't buy the just now for the 2 festival?
Oh, alright, do that then. Thanks.
Okay, I get it. If I don't like it, alright.
So say welcome every customer with a big smile on your face.
Yes, their policy.
Like it.
Red peas.
Same. Hey girl. Cute.
We can receive. Ticket number is 160.
Okay, I'm back. I'm leaving now. But this is what I got. Chicken soup festival. Yeah. I don't eat this every day, but I'm hungry and feed some chicken and soup, so yeah. Now I'm going to get a taxi to go home. Let's go inside. So I'm on my way home now. I'm ready to get taxi. Okay, so right now I am in my community walking. I'm home. I am at work, on my way to work now, as you can see, in my black and white as usual. Today was a really hectic day. I had a lot of stuff to do, so I didn't get a chance to record most of the day early this morning. But I'm on my way to work now, a few minutes after 3 in the afternoon. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm Kevin, this is Careless Vlogs, and I'm out.